Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube. So today I am going to be doing the painted lady from Avatar: The Last Airbender. I really like this look a lot, and I thought I'd do really good. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So I'm glad to see that you like to watch more of me. That means I'm entertaining. Let me stop. Anyway, today we are doing Katara as the painted lady from Avatar: The Last Airbender. That show is amazing. You guys should go watch it. It's actually on Netflix. There's three seasons. If you want to see more of Avatar, there's Legend of Korra, and that has 4 seasons. But I'm not doing Legend of Korra today. I'm doing Katara as the painted lady. I always thought she looked so cute in that makeup, so I decided to try it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. So let's get into it. Yeah. Okay, so the first thing I did was I just learned what this was. Okay, it's foundation. Okay, I told you guys I'm not into makeup like that, but I just realized that it's foundation. So first thing I did was I took the foundation and I put it all over my face. It took me a while, so I'm gonna speed it up for you guys. Yeah.
There is nothing wrong with letting people who love you help you. Not that I love you. I just met you.
So, where is your nephew?
I've been tracking him, actually.
Is he lost?
After that, I started on the red paint that's gonna go on my face. So that's what I did. Wait. I tried to use one of my brushes, you know, the ones that it's like an eyeshadow brush. I tried to use that, but it didn't turn out well. No, it didn't look pretty. So, I ended up fixing it. I used like a lip gloss brush to put it on or something. Yeah, that's what I used. I rinsed it off with hot water, and I used that instead, and it worked so much better. So I'm gonna speed that up because that also took me a long time. I ended up making it uneven. So on one side it was good, but on the other side it was lower. So yeah. Y'all, wait. Okay, so I had to fix that, y'all. Sorry. So. That's better. Okay. We have this one down here. Okay, period. Haha. Now that I'm done with my eyes and my face, I need to put some red lipstick on my lip. And you know when you're going like down the middle from your lip and then onto your chin, I did that as well. Next, I put the red markings on my neck as well. I'm just trying to follow the picture that I used as a reference and just put it on there. I can already do this every single night. Just please paint, but still. Now it's time for the one I hate with a passion. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can y'all see that? Eyeliner. It just wouldn't look right without the eyeliner, so I bottled up my fear of it and decided to put it on anyway. It was going really good. I put it on and it looked so nice. The happiness didn't last very long. Just wait for a little bit. The problem is gonna be trying to do it on this side. Yes, I am stupid. Yes, I just poked myself in the eye with eyeliner. Again. Yeah, I poked myself and I looked so stupid. Look at me. Exactly. I had to cut the camera for a bit. Okay, I did it. And hold on, not as long. Okay, I did it. I never want to do it again. Next thing I did was I took my eyebrow pencil and I started to draw on my eyebrows to make them look more like Katara's anyway. Katara's eyebrows are a little different from mine. They have it's like at the front, it's like a little circle, it's like round. not circle, it's round. So I ended up doing that, and I did it on the other eyebrow as well. Okay. Next thing I did was I took my mascara and I used that on my eyelashes to make my eyelashes look pretty, because I am still not fond of putting on eyelashes. Okay, I did it. Right here. The next thing I did was I took this golden metallic like eyeshadow paint and I used that to put the moon on the top of my forehead. Now that I'm done with the makeup portion, all I need to do is go put on my outfit. So and if you guys saw flowers on the top of my hat, you didn't. You didn't see them at all. I did pretty good.
You sound like my nephew. Always.
I want to say thank you guys again for watching my video. I actually really like this look and I'm very proud of myself. If you guys want to see me do more makeup stuff like this, just make sure to subscribe. Also, like this video, comment down below. You guys can comment suggestions on what you guys want me to do next, actually. I have something in store for you guys after I'm gonna be doing a pop star, an old pop star that I think your parents might know, or your grandparents, and then I have something else from a childhood movie that I really loved to watch growing up. But I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. So yeah, bye.